This is the Mabel-2 balloon flight. Live video is available on 439.25 megahertz. Please send reception reports to W8IC at K8UO.com. HFnet on 7.24 megahertz. This is the W8IC balloon beacon.
That's good.
You knew you forgot something, huh?
Deja vu. We've been here before.
Balloon filling commenced at approximately 10:15.
It starts to lift off the banker, that's all I know.
Okay. It's 10 pounds away. It's regarding meeting FCC requirements and everything for a Mabel-2 balloon launch like this. Phil W8IC took care of all the details, but what he explained to me was that this balloon is actually exempt, this project, because it is less than 6 pounds, and per square inch there's less than a 3-ounce breakaway on the actual payload itself if something was to hit it. Phil did, though, file something called a notice to airmen. He called Lansing, and by filing this notice to airmen, the FAA is aware of what we're doing and what time frame we're doing it, and based on that, then they'll notify the local airports like Flint and such.
It's a little bit windy today.
My name's Mike, NHAGU, and my son Alex, and what we're going to be doing is monitoring the packet transmissions from Mabel-2 on 144.340, just a basic TNC controller here, and a laptop just running like a Procom terminal emulation just to pick it up. Also, we just got a poor man's operation. We're using a cable-ready TV on channel 60 with a VCR, and we got a 20 dB preamp on the antenna. Your basic $19 Radio Shack UHF special antenna pointing straight up, and we're hoping to get the reception. This is the poor man's way of doing Mabel reception. And then there's that guy.
Okay, I'm Jeff Basting, NAQPJ, and I'm responsible for the payload, and this is my chase truck. First we have a 2-meter egg beater, which should be able to receive the packet no matter where it goes. Then we have a 440 antenna for the ATV pointing straight up, because we're going to plan on staying right under the balloon, so we should get good video the whole trip. And I've got the 2-meter antenna for communications, and there's another 2-meter antenna over there for receive, so I can put the audio with the ATV picture, so it'll be synced. And then we have another ATV antenna for a horizontal shot, when the payload gets below or near the horizon. And there you go, that's the chase truck.
This is our chase vehicle. We have several things in here. One thing, of course, is through the APRS, we're able to, on the laptop, get the location of the balloon in real time. In addition, I actually have GPS also feeding this, so as we're chasing it, I have street level mapping of the whole country, which gives me the position of me and the position of the balloon. So it should be pretty easy to trace and chase the thing, I should say. In addition, in the vehicle, we have 2 devices to record. The one VCR combination there has the television has a preamplifier hooked to a beam antenna that's pointing straight up. My digital camcorder is actually attached to a PC Electronics 440 receiver, which produces baseband output. That's hooked up to the egg beater omnidirectional horizontally polarized type antenna. And as far as recording, then we have the ability to record 2 different sources, and that's what we got a lot of our footage from last time.
Oh, there's so many wires.
Not the blue wire!
Yeah, do they have estimated times for launch? It should be sometime after 11 o'clock, shortly after 11 o'clock, if not right in that area. We've been told about a half hour or so ago that it is being assembled. Over.
I'll let somebody else do that for you. You don't have directions with you?
Well, you end up blowing it, right?
What we got is a Mabel-2. The box is basically the same. There's been some improvements. You can see we have a beam antenna this time pointing straight down, so we should greatly improve our video signal coming in. And we are putting desiccant in again, but this time to hopefully keep the windows from fogging up. And now we're about to hook the loop up to the parachute.
Camera's changed.
We have a high-res color camera now versus the low-res last time.
We also added a few other things. The overlay actually for the video with the GPS combined, now we have feet and a date time stamp on there also. And we do it in miles per hour now for the travel. Phil built a new cut-down device. We added a new type of cut-down system to this, so we'll be able to cut it down potentially. We don't want to wait till the balloon pops.
Anyone else for the Mabel-2 launch and recovery net this morning? The balloon is assembled. It is ready, being ready for launch. The radios are transmitting. We are receiving data via the internet on APRS. Anyone wishing to join the net and check into the net, please do now. This is KHGR. We also have W8RO on board as well.
Okay.
Ready? Here she goes.
Lift off!
Yay! 11:10:58.
Balloon is in the air. Balloon is in the air.
This is the Mabel-2 balloon flight. Live video is available on 439.25 megahertz. Please send reception reports to W8IC at K8UO.com. HFnet on 7.24 megahertz. This is the W8IC balloon beacon.
Now that's the black and white shot. That's shooting straight down. Then it's going to alternate between the black and white and the color camera. The color camera is going to be horizontal.
And what sort of data are you
6,233 feet. There's the horizontal color camera.
And at UDK-11.
Excellent.
They're just updated.
What's the altitude? I don't think my wife would ever drive that damn. I would.
Okay, any other reports for the Mabel-2 balloon launch? This is W8RO looking for signal reports from the VHF beacons or from the ATV signal from the Mabel-2 balloon launch. This is W8RO. The KB9 station, go ahead.
Yeah, that's Bill, and we're located near Richmond, Indiana. And the call came in here was Lima 1 Bravo 9, Julius, Golf Alpha, receiving video, P5 at times. Also receiving packet on 434 2 meters, and also the balloon. So very nice copy all the way around this morning. 89 JGM.
The balloon is on its way down. The balloon is on its way down. W8RO out. Okay, so you've got some winds down at about the 50,000 feet level that'll take it back to the east, is that correct?
Yeah, it should follow its track that it took off with, only about maybe 1/3 the length. KBA-LWA.
Go ahead.
Boys, this is James. I'm with the payload guys, Chris and Jeff. They just want to make sure everybody knows that it seems the balloon had burst, but the cut-down command did get sent. They show that everything looks okay, so when it lands, the buzzer should be going off.
Roger that. Appreciate that. Very good. Looks like the peak altitude was 88,000 or so, and looks like we had some great pictures. Yeah, we're currently approaching 20,000 feet. We're within 15 minutes of landing. It's 2 miles northeast of downtown Flint, so it looks like it's going to land north of Burton there, east of 475, north of I-69, W8RO.
Go ahead. Thank you very much, and I will listen. And the payload team here on Sutter Road, about a mile east of M15, I think this is good off a mile or so ago. Turning into dirt right now. We're going to be headed north. I will give you a straight name.
If we don't talk with you again. Anyone else?
There it is right there.
You're kidding. Yeah! Yeah! I got it!
Oh yeah, there it is! Videotape it!
I'm trying.
It's south of Richfield Road.
There it is, the balloon!
Is it recording?
Yes, the autofocus. Oh wow, it's coming.
It's taping?
I got it. There it is in a nice field. It's past the tree. It's down! We watched it land.
29.93, is that correct?
Yeah, and we're on the road. You can see it off the road, maybe a quarter mile in.
End up in downtown Flint.
Yeah, well, you know,
Scramble the F-16.
as soon as as I realized that there was way too much gas in there, I go, oh man, we're in trouble. But this worked out perfect.
Yeah.
We lucked out again.
88,000 feet.
Hey, don't touch it.
No, I won't. All right, we got it. It's there. One piece.
Oh, rats, it'll fly again.
Mike and AJG, we're southbound 75, just south of 67 now. We're on 15 cross, Davidson coming up to Potter.
See all the vehicles, you're all lined up.
Wonderful, man. Hey, it was fun sitting here helping with the communication, but sounds like you guys out in the field had a great time, so.
Now Jeff's got to rebuild it again. No, I'm not building
Hey, let's go again. We got another balloon. Here, right? Get some boats.
Thanks, Jerry. 7-3. I think we'll secure the 40-meter net at this point. We have a successful mission. I think we got some great pictures, and I want to thank everybody for your participation and your attention. This is W8RO.
Put that good one there, that camcorder.
2 for 2.
Don't kill it.
2 for 2.
Maybe use this box again.
For more info on Mabel 2, check the website www.detroit atvrepeater.com.